Hello and welcome to Apartment Cookery. Today we're going to be making pumpkin and chocolate chip muffins. And we're going to show you a couple little tricks and tips to try to achieve the perfect bakery style muffin. Not only that, we're going to have a little bit of a tasting at the end. So stay tuned. Okay, so now for the tasting. This is what it looks like at the end. You have that nice little edge. We actually overfilled the pan so you could get that nice top. Also in the oven, we put a pizza stone directly underneath the sheet. And I do this in electric ovens because electric ovens tend to not keep heat as well as a gas stove. I feel like putting the pizza stone not only makes it cook more evenly, it just cooks better. So that's another little tip. Also, we're going to cook this at a higher temperature initially, and then we're going to turn it down to get that rise, and then turn it down so we get the cooking from the inside too as well. And I'm going to cut this open and show you what the inside looks like. And that's what it looks like. And I actually have never really had pumpkin chocolate chip. I just wanted to try it, and I now like this better than regular pumpkin muffins after. Really good. You have the pumpkin, it's not too sweet, and then you have a little bit of the dark chocolate, which gives it a nice little bitter touch, so it's not just all one note. Pumpkin and chocolate chips go very well together. I had no idea, but I'm pretty sure you'll love this and all your friends will love it. Be sure to try this out and check out the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.